Hello and welcome to the UkeStuff channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to play the play-alongs for Heaven Everywhere by Francesca Battistelli. Now, to be honest, I hadn't heard this song before, and I went to my son's middle school concert and one of the choirs sang this piece, and I just thought it was wonderful, and I thought it'd be a great addition to this channel for Christmas Day. So, to everybody that's watching this video, this was released on Christmas Day 2019. I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So let's get down to it. Now, first and foremost, if you take a look below, you'll be able to jump to parts of the video that make sense to you. And in particular, this video is kind of segmented up. First, we'll look at the chords you need for GCEA ukulele, which is soprano, concert, and tenor in the key of C. Then we'll look at the chords that you need for DGBE baritone ukulele in the key of G. So I did that because each of those actually works better for this song in that way. So that's what we'll be doing. And then after all that, we'll take a look at strumming, or in my case, what I do, which is picking through the entire song or most of the song. I'd also like to remind you that you can find the chord chart, or what people call tabs for this song, at ukestuff.info. There'll be a link for that in the description below as well. For this song, I'll be using my Lanakai LU21CEBK. Somebody was selling this locally when I first started playing ukulele, and I bought it, and I like it, even though I don't play it a whole lot. I like the gloss black. I need to get the fingerprints off of it. It has this really cool sort of like tortoiseshell binding on the front and back, a really nicely done, almost like so it's a sticker, I'm sure, underneath the finish, but it kind of has this kind of like shiny material that sort of matches that, and the real striking contrast of the rosewood fretboard and bridge with that gloss black. I just think this is a cool looking uke, and I love it. So I'll probably never get rid of it. It wasn't very expensive when I bought it from somebody, and it doesn't sound too bad either. Oh, it's also electric, so you can also amplify it if you need to. It has one of those UK 2000 pickups in it, so it's an active pickup as well. Let's take a look at the chords now that you need in the key of C on a GCEA tuned ukulele. So the first chord is the C chord. The second chord is the C6 chord, and that is how the ukulele is tuned. It's a C chord with an extra A added on the top of it, making it a C6. It's the sixth step of the C scale added to that chord. It's just like the A minor 7, if you've heard it also called the A minor 7. The next chord is the C major 7. Then you've got your F chord, your G chord, the A minor 7. So you've got both of those in the song. And then the A minor chord. And those are the chords that you need for GCEA ukulele in the key of C. Now, for baritone DGBE ukulele, I'll be using my mainland baritone. It has a cedar top, rosewood back and sides. Great instrument, and it's my only baritone. So for DGBE ukulele, I moved us into the key of G. Actually, these chord shapes, both in the key of C and G, are the same, both on GCEA ukulele and DGBE ukulele. So that's a coincidence I've never had on any of these videos so far. The original is in the key of A, and I had to find keys that worked better for each instrument. So let's take a look at these chords that you need. The first one in the key of G on baritone ukulele is the G chord. Then the G6 chord, which is how the baritone ukulele is tuned. Then the G major 7, the C chord, the D chord, the E minor 7, and the E minor. Those are the chords that you need on baritone DGBE ukulele in the key of G. Now, when it comes to strumming, I'm actually going to suggest a picking pattern for this song, but you can play all these chords just as block chords however it works best for you. You can play just chord after chord to make it work for you. Now, I tried to match the sound of the instrument to what I was hearing on the recording, and I just couldn't find a key that worked easiest for. So this is kind of a workaround. Also, I'm only going to show the chords right now in GCEA ukulele tuning in the key of C, because there are two different keys here, and I don't want to confuse anyone in terms of what chords are needed for this song. So if you're a baritone player, just take these concepts and apply it to the chords that you play, which are actually the same shapes on your ukulele. So what I suggest doing is only working with the top 3 strings. String 3, string 2, and string 1. So what I suggest doing to make it sound as close as possible to the original recording is to just keep practicing playing 3 2 1 3 2 1 3 2 1 3 2 1 3 2 1 3 2 1. And you just keep doing that. Now you'll notice I float my pinky on the soundboard. You don't have to. You should be able to do it without doing it, which is what I'm doing right now. I can also float it with my pinky. I kind of like that because it gives me more control. I have a couple ukuleles with cutouts that I can actually put my finger on the side of the ukulele and get also some more power in that picking. But whatever works for you. But I'm going to play kind of fast here first, and then I'll slow it down. So just at the beginning, there are 2 sequences on each chord, and that's how the entire song is laid out. So it would sound like this. Now, I'd really love it for that G to be in there. So you could, on GCEA ukulele, in fact, you could do it on baritone too, you could go backwards and go string 3, 2, 4, and then up the other way for the rest of it. So it would sound like this. This is getting really crazy. You don't have to do this. Then you go back to that original. And then you really get the feel of that walking G-A-B-A, which is prevalent throughout the entire song. So again, very slowly, you can either just play 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Or you can play 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, and either one of those will work. And then for the rest of the song, with the chord changes, you can just keep going 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1 throughout. And I know that's a little tricky, but you know what? If you practice it and have fun with it, that's really what matters. And don't forget, when you're watching a YouTube video, you can hit that little gear icon and you can slow a song down and it will attempt to retain the pitch of the song. And that's true regardless of what key you're in. It's going to try to make that happen, and you can slow it down to a certain percentage. So don't forget that little tip as well. Quite honestly, that's really all you need to know how to play the song. It's just a number of chords, and a lot of them right around that C, or in case of baritone ukulele, G. And then it's just trying a little picking, or you can just strum, whatever works for you. So again, a very Merry Christmas to you. Thanks for watching the video, and have a great day, and we will catch you next time.